ChatGPT, one fintech startup integrated it into their CRM, replacing an entire 24/7 support team. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's an employee. A retail brand created 80% of its seasonal campaign artwork using DALL-E with no freelance designers. Runway ML brings Hollywood-style visual effects to your browser. Jasper AI, it creates blog posts, emails, ad copy, and even YouTube scripts in seconds. A media company cut editing staff by 40%, simply by integrating Grammarly into its content process. Midjourney and DALL-E turn prompts into stunning visuals, thumbnails, illustrations, ads, and concept art. Have you ever wondered which jobs will disappear in the next 5 years? What if I told you it's not a question of if, it's already happening? In 2025, artificial intelligence isn't just enhancing our work, it's replacing it. From marketing departments to production studios, warehouses to HR teams, AI tools are automating the tasks we once called careers. Visual cue, montage of AI tools replacing people in offices, call centers, and media teams. Welcome to FutureCore Tech, where we explore the smartest tools, the latest innovations, and the real impact of technology on the global workforce. If you're curious about how automation is transforming work as we know it, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's dive into the top 10 AI tools that will replace jobs in 2025. Number 10. Jasper AI. Jasper is a generative AI content writer. It creates blog posts, emails, ad copy, and even YouTube scripts in seconds. It understands tone, audience, and industry-specific jargon, producing polished content at scale. A digital marketing firm reported reducing its writing team by over 60% after switching to Jasper. Writers aren't vanishing, but they're evolving into editors, curators, and brand overseers. Visual cue, Jasper dashboard versus human typing timeline. Let's move on to Number 9. Synthesia. Synthesia generates high-quality videos from text. You just type a script, pick an avatar, and within minutes, you have a presentation-ready video. A global healthcare company used Synthesia to produce onboarding content in 12 languages, without hiring actors or renting studios. Companies are replacing training departments with scalable, AI-driven video workflows. Production is now democratized. No cameras, no crews. Number 8. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is redefining customer service. One fintech startup integrated it into their CRM, replacing an entire 24/7 support team. The result? 40% faster responses, 30% lower support costs. It handles FAQs, generates reports, and even explains internal processes. With new plugins and memory features rolling out, ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's an employee. Number 7. Descript. Descript lets you edit videos and podcasts by editing a transcript like you're working in Word. Need to cut a sentence? Just delete it from the text. Want to remove filler words or silence? Click a button. Want to clone your voice for a missing line? Done. One YouTube channel cut weekly editing time from 12 hours to just 3, without hiring help. Jobs are shifting from technical to creative. Number 6. Midjourney and DALL-E. AI image generation is a new design revolution. Midjourney and DALL-E turn prompts into stunning visuals, thumbnails, illustrations, ads, and concept art. A retail brand created 80% of its seasonal campaign artwork using DALL-E with no freelance designers. Designers are still needed, but the process now starts with a prompt, not a pencil. Number 5. Runway ML. Runway ML brings Hollywood-style visual effects to your browser. Remove backgrounds, animate objects, color grade with drag-and-drop simplicity. Indie creators and news teams are now producing studio-level content with minimal training. Video editing is no longer about technical skills, it's about storytelling. Runway handles the rest. Number 4. UiPath. UiPath is leading the charge in robotic process automation, or RPA. It handles back-office tasks like invoicing, email management, and form processing. An insurance company automated 90% of its claims intake with UiPath, cutting team size by over a third. It may not be flashy, but this kind of automation is quietly transforming white-collar work. Number 3. Pymetrics. Hiring used to take months. Now it can take minutes, thanks to Pymetrics. It uses neuroscience-based games to evaluate candidates, then matches them to roles based on emotional and cognitive traits. Unilever reduced hiring time by 75% and improved diversity outcomes using this tool. Recruiters now review AI insights, not resumes. Number 2. Grammarly, Business and Go. Grammarly has grown up. Beyond fixing typos, Grammarly Business and Grammarly Go now rewrite emails, adjust tone, and draft full documents. A media company cut editing staff by 40% simply by integrating Grammarly into its content process. Writing is still essential, but now it's augmented, automated, and accelerated. Number 1. AlphaCode by DeepMind. AlphaCode is a game changer for software development. It reads a problem description and writes code, functional, tested, and ready to run. It's now performing at the level of junior developers in competitive programming tasks. Enterprise software firms are testing AlphaCode to accelerate coding, reduce bugs, and lower development costs. Developers aren't being replaced, but they're moving into QA, testing, and AI code supervision roles. If you've made it this far, you're ahead of the curve. These AI tools aren't just replacing jobs. They're redefining roles, pushing humans toward creativity, strategy, and higher value thinking. So, which tool surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. We read every one. Make sure to subscribe to FutureCore Tech for weekly deep dives into AI, automation, and Industry 4.0. Next up, how AI is transforming healthcare and what jobs will be next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the future.